Hi, everybody. I'm Andrew Flaherty. Good to be working with you guys in class this semester. A couple pictures up here to give you a quick summary of where I'm coming from, what I've been doing, and how close or where I'm at so far in the program. So first up, I went to University of Illinois for my undergraduate work, and I started teaching at Joliet West High School as soon as I graduated. So that was in the year 2005, 2006 was my first school year teaching. So I've been teaching at that high school ever since. Um, Picture to the left is a picture of my son Harrison that was just born this summer. Picture to the right of him is a snapshot of my obviously like transcript hours so far. So at 25 hours plus this class put me at 28. I have my independent study that I still need to take care of, which will hopefully happen this summer. I'm looking to do my independent study on environmental history, but also kind of look into the Great Migration. So, kind of combining the two environmental perspective of the Great Migration, essentially. So, I hope to do that this summer, which would put me at 30, I believe, or independent studies too. And then I have my capstone, which I'll be finishing in the fall of 24, the fall of this year. So, very, very close to being done. Looking forward to it. It's been a real pleasure so far. I'm looking forward to working with Dr. Patterson again. I've had several classes with him so far, and they've all been really, really enjoyable. So, looking forward to this semester as well. The last picture up here is just one of the most recent pictures of my family. It's us at Christmas. Um, and my son in the background. So yeah, just trying to get through the program, trying to get sleep, trying to stay on top of all the reading and work. So if I'm posting at midnight, I hope you guys don't blame me. So pleasure to meet you all, and looking forward to interacting with you guys on the discussion boards.